Hey there, expecting parents. Welcome to the Nurses Lecture Room. Today we're diving into a topic that's on many of your minds. Is it safe to have sex during pregnancy? First things first, let me reassure you, yes. For most couples, it is generally safe to have sex during pregnancy. But as with all things pregnancy related, there are a few nuances to keep in mind. During the early weeks, some of you might experience fatigue, nausea, or just not feel up for it. Totally normal. Your body is going through a lot of changes and it's okay to listen to it. But what about the baby? Rest assured, your baby is well protected in the womb, cushioned by amniotic fluid, and your cervix is sealed off by a mucus plug. So, unless advised otherwise by your healthcare provider, baby is doing just fine in there. Now, let's talk about trimester by trimester. In the second trimester, many couples find that their sex drive returns or even increases. This can be a great time to reconnect with your partner. However, it's normal to have concerns about positions or discomfort. The key here is open communication and finding what works best for you both. By the third trimester, things might get a bit more challenging. The growing belly can make certain positions uncomfortable. Opt for side-lying positions or try being on top to control depth and comfort. Again, listen to your body and adjust as needed. But what about when to avoid sex? If you have a history of preterm labor, placenta previa, or if your water has broken, your doctor might advise against it. Always consult with them if you're unsure. And don't forget, intimacy isn't just about sex. Holding hands, cuddling, and spending quality time together are just as important. Pregnancy can be a roller coaster of emotions, so keeping that connection strong is key. So, there you have it. Sex during pregnancy can be safe and even enjoyable, but always check with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on your journey to parenthood. Thanks for watching and take care.